Hey everyone, in this video I want to quickly share what's new in the latest UiChemy update for Bricks and why we built it. UiChemy already helps you sync the core parts of your design system from Figma like global color, global typography, global container width and global padding. But many of you told us that when it comes to Bricks, a few important pieces were still missing to complete the full design system setup. Things like radius, borders, gaps and shadows. Because of that, even after syncing the main styles, you still had to spend time setting these parts manually inside Bricks. So, in this update, our focus was simple. We wanted to complete the design system sync. Now, UiChemy can sync global radius, borders, gaps and shadow classes from Figma directly into Bricks. This is especially helpful for anyone who works seriously with design systems and wants everything to stay consistent. Not just that, these styles also apply correctly inside the designs you import, and I will show you that in the demo. We also added one more feature quietly in this release. It wasn't a big announcement, but users are already loving it a lot. I will show that as well. Let's jump into the demo. First of all, I am assuming you already have our Figma plugin and your Figma design ready. Now let's go to Express conversion option where I have selected this design and I am doing next. Over here, go to sync global styles. From there, you need to add your site. So you can simply install our WordPress plugin and from there you can enter your URL and token and then you can connect. So I'm not going in depth because we are assuming you are almost aware about whole process, or we have the docs and videos for this process. So I'm just closing this. I already have connected this site for this demo. Let me show you. I already have connected a container width, our global colors, global typography, global padding. Now the main part is coming to our new 4 options, which is global border radius, global gap and global shadow. So let me just press add new. So from here you can see now we are getting all the borders over here, and from here you can select pick all borders. Same for the border radius, you can select all the radius. For gap again you can pick all, and for the shadow you can pick all effects. And I just wanted to show you the minor details we have focused on. For example, in the global border you can see this is the mixed border value. So from right side you can check it's having a top border value, right? So similar way I just wanted to show you with the radius as well. So here you can see we also have shown in the mixed property where those values are, right? So that is the thing. And now let's sync. So when we sync, all your designs from your Figma will be synced to your Bricks setup, right? So all the values will be created there as a class. So let's jump into, but before that I wanted to show you one special feature. Let me go to back in a conversion setting. Here you will find out we are having 2 new options. One is image format and another is image compression, right? So now you can save your time by using our image format selection where you can choose either WebP or AVIF format. So in this demo I am keeping this WebP. On top of that, we are compressing your images before the import process, so that you can choose any of the compression value you wanted to go with, right? Now let's do convert. Here we will do direct import and the conversion process is ongoing. Now from here you can press next, and by pressing import button your design will start to import on your Bricks website. Now let's press open. Here you can see your complete design from your Figma which is imported on your Bricks setup as it is. But the main thing, because this update is all about how you can complete your design system sync. It's not just about the layout sync, it's about design system sync. So let me press edit with Bricks. So when you will go to the edit with Bricks, you can simply check something like this button. So in this button you can see now there is a different classes assigned for the padding, radius, effect and so on, right? Previously we doesn't had such classes for those shadow and other stuff. On top of that, let me show you all the classes we have added. So from here you can see there are classes for the border radius, gap, shadow, right? Previously we had the class for the padding and the typography. So this is the way where you can sync all the new properties with the border radius, gap and shadow and complete your design system. And before ending the demo, I just wanted to show you our responsive results as well, because we even have fixed few bugs and we wanted to make our responsive even better. So you can check this layout in responsive as well. And the good news is everything is editable in Bricks, no custom CSS or nothing, something which you cannot easily update. That's it for this update. I hope this gives you a clear idea of how the new Bricks design system sync works and how it can save you a lot of manual setup time when moving from Figma to Bricks. As always, we would really love your feedback. If there is anything in the Figma to Bricks workflow that you feel can be improved, please share it with us. Also, this update will be coming to Elementor version 4 as well, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and we will keep working on making this workflow smoother and faster for you.